And in sports news, veteran footballer King Ndoro, whose illustrious career was cut short due to leg injury over 3 decades ago, has finally received his outstanding compensation from former club Harare Boys. The substantial payout of $100,000 comes shortly before the legendary striker's 60th birthday. Alimwi mulizya msovano singambila wa bola ilya mpila King Ndoro wagumphidwa ichipo chawe iminyaka yotatwe iyayinda wakatambula ichiumbulizwa kuzwa kukavunga ka Harare Boys. Vakamwavila imadola aku America asika chulu ng'anda iponsi kwakusekelela izuwa lyakwe ilyakuzikalidwa makumi msanu alimwi. Ndoro won a Supreme Court order compelling the Harare Boys to pay him his dues 5 years ago, but the club's administration had been sitting on the order since. Ibaphetha kuluboko kwa King Ndoro nkhawo ikabonga kabalomvana basikuba bathola inthamo yakunjizika maboko ukuzwa akayindi.
You got a minute for your ship.
Yeah? You talking to me?
Yeah, I just said you got a minute in the water.
I left the room for the photo edit, copy edit, to say, you know the trivia man.
It's editor chief. And it's already this moment.
Says who?
This is my one out there, and it's also a breaking news.
Oh, that Ndoro story. Well, you're now dribbling into sports, young man. I thought you did human interest stories. Huh?
Yeah, Chief, imagine. And all the retired football. Girl, we gentlemen after 30 years. You know, it's very human interest, you know.
Yeah, if you frame it like that, how much is he getting a boy?
Chief, a whooping 100K. Imagine.
Yo. Imagine the sweep again.
You can't sweep up this, Chief.
Ed. Mind your Shona. Yakashiba kuti swa, not kuti shi.
Chief. It's not that bad, man.
Right. Finished.
By the magic of the finger. Thank you, Chief.
Right. Will make me another short young man.
Chief, you come send the folks also in the pay.
And it's not going to be the last one. And you know, I love my team. And it's also called these days.
Okay, then, Chief, so I'm charges after 30 minutes. Then I will a follow-up story over the gate. And food you go down over your team. Or Friday, a manager got to work. And you won't be the check in Maria.
Yeah. I hope he gets himself a new car and gives that in 1948 Ford and the arrest.
Chief, Chadenga the 1948.
Well, it's a Subaru, but tattered, you know, and it smells like what do you mean, a goods train.
No.
No, it's not the kind of a car that you'd want to see a two-time footballer of the year in. No, it deserves better.
Yeah, but I think people understand why there is like that, don't we? Oh, yeah. Let's start. We'll get you tenacious.
So,
Mwananga, Mwananga, ulala amna.
Hello, Baba. I-video call.
Oh, hii hii technology Mwananga. Hey,
Semukhulile Baba. Happy birthday.
birthday. It's not today. It's tomorrow. That's what my birthday is.
Yeah, but it's already tomorrow here in Australia, Baba. I'm even preparing to go to work. Lunzela kuyathirwa ndibona.
Because of difference in times, right?
Kona khale 5 years nile no. Khale.
Lee, I told you, do not mention names. Otherwise, I'm going to miss you, Tanami.
Yeah, but mungawari soon I'll be back home. Yeah.
Me, let's not go there. What about my present? Huh? Do you have a present like last year?
It's obvious present ye-birthday khona. Kambani umjweli makayithi ningari surprise.
But I have a present, promise me.
Hey, it's obvious. Then you more than your last time, Papa. Mhm. Anyways, congratulations. Tuloko mali yangu unayendlile. At least.
Yeah. Hey, they've been refusing me this money. I worked for it. It's my money. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm so happy.
Yeah, namna let's ngwana ungendliko. You are a fighter, Papa.
Yeah, I just wish if your mother was still alive, she was going to be so happy.
Munganyi mashesho. Loyi karhi ku celebrate. I wona karhi ku rila lo.
Yeah, told me something, huh?
Munganyi mani, Papa, munganyi mani. Loyi karhi ku celebrate. I wona karhi ku rila. Karhi ku rila utafika. Loyi karhi ku tsaka.
Yeah.
Okay, saka mienda interest.
I'm in the kitchen making myself some dinner.
Wamulungisa chikafu mazambani netihlapite chikotela.
Lily, you know me too very well.
Ya, namtiva Papa. Saka mulonga yini nemali ya n'wina?
Sweetheart, I guess I'm just gonna leave it in the house. I'm not going to touch it. I'll just leave it for some days and I'll let it lie low, warm, while things are getting steady. Because the journalists, they've been calling me crazy each and every time. They're calling me, texting me. So I want to let everything low lay.
Mula kungayitsika? Mungula kuyini munganjeli kumnyika imali otalisa n'wina?
That's what exactly they did.
Wo! Saka muyivekela kwihi mali ya n'wina?
I'm not kidding. They gave me cash, hard cash, imali mntanami.
Saka muloko umuntu etshama muyi-one ni mali yinendlela leyo mankulele ngayenza ni mali muyi-one.
Yes, nothing will happen to it. It's very safe. Actually, this neighborhood is very safe. Nothing will happen to it. Trust me.
Yeah, I'll make arrangements ya ku mali ya n'wina yi vekiwa ka akhawunti ya mina. Then loko a mi lava ku yi tirhisa ni ta mi nyika mbichana Papa. Not ku mi tshama ni mali muyi-one endlwini.
I understand, sweetie. I understand this, Tandazan. But now, don't worry. People in this neighborhood, they respect me very well. Nothing will happen. Nothing will even hit King Doro. If you've forgotten, I'm your papa.
Amfali mtrusta vanhu Papa. Ya mune mafans vo tala, mune vanhu vo tala mi va tivaka, mi tivanaka na vona, mi wiranaka na vona kambe the money must be safe. Anyways, happy birthday again. I love you.
Fidana, I love you kakhulu, ngiyawuthanda kakhulu. But I'm the only one in this house.
Okay, Papa, ndamfonela. Sika ni nga ya tirhweni. Ni hlwelile. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah.
on by Delors to Jean-Felix. Mazas did his best, but they played past him quite comfortably. Vega also stationed well forward. Ruben Neves. With Delors. Felix, Bernardo Silva, Ronaldo and Semedo all waiting. It goes to Semedo. Reflection off Scales, but Kelleher was ready. Hardly an attack, hardly a semblance of an attack.
Diallo.
Portugal sticking to their purpose and their beliefs.
Yawe delivered. Mapilasi yako bana. Get zakakiwa kai. Surprise, man. Oh, surprise. Yeah. Okay. Mira.
China round. Fuga mazu. Jana. Mariru.
Nangu msadara. Ndiri mukuru wanangu unoni kwanza.
Andisi mwana wako ndati Mariru kupi. Hosuta ndikutaurira ndati Mariru kupi. Iri pai taura pale mari
Mwanangu unoni kwanza mwana. Tazozwe.
Papi pacho wakati ukukupi kweli.
Mwaje basket. Sengwende basket. Mwaje basket mkoma ndoba hii. Mkoma.
Dala.
Mkoma.
Usapuse ushizo.
Mkoma mnandi kwanza mkoma.
Maria bugara motion basket.
Hapo mwana. Mzima yakashaya kubana ni mwana wali kitala.
Tukuda mari bana. Basi kids game motion.
Hapo mwana mnandi wa besi. Sana mwana. Ndio sana baba wako bwana.
Tukuda mari.
Oh, sure. Hamna chino, hamna bado.
Iyo mtare unotama nifunga zini.
Ai, ndopika.
Mario. No, it's something to gwisa nyere so. Auto ndai koka futi. Iwe. Sasa mwaka bodi.
Mario ndege mungu. Ndege mungu na mwana ndege tori kuyiza kwanza. Ndazo bank man.
Takuyozoita mafanis bana koruzinzo. Tukuda mari. Futhi ngakubva kwatiri kubva kufambira zvinhu zvisina basa bana.
Mari iri mokumata.
Chimali chinokushinja bana.
Ndopika sai mu watching basket na chino mshama. Na chino.
Ndari kuda kutamba pfungwa dzedu kero. Kutamba pfungwa dzedu kero.
Aiwa koma.
Mari. Unoita uchitawo zvinhu zvine action kana
Una chino mshama.
Gamana zvinobude.
Na chino.
Izwo kutema motikari chamwa. Iyo mutare.
Yes, mko.
Ikutesera any visa there mas.
Unamzuku wangu anogara kuchifu. Anga chana kuzobhoda. Ndokungandira tosvike. Mwana unoti